In our session, we will talk about the half and quarter today. We are going to talk about the half and quarter. And I will start with the half. We have our friends Ahmed and Farida. Today we have our friends Ahmed and Farida. Ahmed and Farida were so hungry. So they decided to make a pizza. After cooking it, they cut down, they split the whole pizza into two equal parts. They cut the whole pizza into two equal parts. Each part is called a half. Good job, guys. Each part is called.
I did that.
Yes, good job, Teddy. Each part is called a half. Ahmed took one half. Ahmed took one part. Ahmed took one half, and Farida took one part. She took one half. Ahmed took one part of the two parts. He took one half, and Farida took one part of the two parts. She took one half. Okay, guys? So, guys, the two equal parts, the two halves makes the whole. The two equal parts makes the whole. The two halves makes the whole. So if I wanna make a whole pizza, I need two halves. One whole equals two equal parts, and each part is a half. One whole equals two halves. And by the way, we also can write the half like 1 line 2, 1 over 2. One part out of the total numbers of parts that they had, which is 2. One part out of 2 parts. Like our example, Farida got only one part. She got only one part of the two parts. So we will see Farida got one half. This part is a half, and this part is a half. Farida got only one half. The same with Ahmed. And here, guys, if we have a birthday cake, we have one whole birthday cake. If I cut it down from the middle into two equal parts, we will get two halves. This is a half, and this is the other half. We have two equal parts, and each part is called a half. This is a half, and this is the other half. The same with the shapes. If we have a shape and it was divided into two equal parts, this part is called a half, and this part also is called a half. This is a half, and this is a half. If you ask me to color one half, it means I will color only one part. Right now, we colored one part of the two parts. We colored one half of that shape, of that circle, okay? We colored one half. So if I ask Aser, color, I will ask Aser Shahata to color one half of that shape. It means you will color how many parts?
One.
Only one part. Good job, Aser. You will color only one part. The colored part right now is one half of that shape. You will color only one part of the two parts to color one half of any shape. Color one half of each shape safe. Safe? Can you hear me? Safe?
Maybe he's not here. Hello?
No, he's here. Hi, Safe. Hello, Safe. How are you?
Hi.
Okay, Safe, right now I ask you to color one half of that shape, of that triangle. To color one half of that triangle, you need to color how many parts?
2.
To color one half. Safe, one half. One half means? One half means one part of the two parts. One half means one part of the two parts. So you will color. Good job, Safe. You will color one part of the two parts. Okay?
I'm gonna color.
Yes, you're gonna color one part of the two parts. The colored part right now, guys, the red part is one half of that shape. Okay, if I ask Ludy, if I ask you to color one half of that heart, you will color how many parts?
One.
Only one. You will color only one. The green part is one half of that part. Okay? It's easy, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, if I ask Rufayda.
Okay.
Rufayda. Hello, Rufayda.
Hello.
Okay, Rufayda, color one half. To color one half of that shape, I need to color how many bars?
One.
Only one part. You will color only one part of the two bars, right?
Yeah.
Right now we colored one half of that shape. And Judy? Judy, can you hear me? Judy? Judy, to color one half of that shape, you need to color how many parts? How many parts should we color? Judy, how many parts should you color? Okay, Laura, what do we? How many parts should we color, Laura? Only one part. We will color only one part. So right now we colored one half of that shape. It's easy, guys?
Yeah.
Color one half of that diamond. Color one half of that diamond, Talia Ahmed. To color one half of that diamond, you need to color how many parts of the two parts?
One.
Only one part. You will color only one part. Right now we color one half of that shape. And I will ask Talia افتح. Talia افتح. Yes. Talia, to color one half of that shape, you need to color how many parts?
One.
Only one? One part.
100 bar.
100, no, only one. So guys, to color one half of that shape, we need to color one part of the two parts. One part, Talia, one part of the two parts. Right now, guys, we are gonna talk about the quarter or the fourth. The quarter or the fourth. We had one whole pizza. And if I cut it down from the middle into two equal parts, we will get how many halves? We will get two halves. Two halves. This is a half, and this is the other half. What will happen if we cut it down from the middle again? Good job, guys. We will get four equal parts. We will get four equal parts. Each part is called a quarter or fourth. Each part is called a quarter or fourth. This is a quarter, and this is a quarter,
And
and this space is a quarter, and this part is a quarter. We have 4 quarters, Talia. We have 4 quarters. So the 4 equal parts, the 4 quarters makes the whole. If I want to make a whole pizza, I need 2 halves or 4 quarters. I need 4 quarters to make a whole pizza. I need 4 fourths. So one whole Yemen, one whole equals 4 equal parts, and each part is a quarter. One whole equals 4 quarters. We can also write the quarter, guys, like 1 line 4, 1 over 4, 1 part out of the total number of parts that we had, which is 4. So this piece of pizza is called quarter. This piece of pizza is called quarter or fourth. And this piece too is a quarter. This is a quarter, and this is a quarter or fourth. The same with the birthday cake. If we cut it down from the middle, we will get 2 halves. This is the half, and this is the other half. This is the half, and this is the other half. If we cut it again from the middle,
Mama,
we will get 4 equal parts. We will get 4 equal parts, and each part is called a quarter or fourth. This is a quarter, and this is a quarter, and this is a quarter, and this is a quarter. Quarter or fourth. The same with shapes. If we have a shape, and this shape is divided into 4 equal parts. If we color only one part, it means we colored one fourth. We colored 1/4. If we colored one part of the 4 parts, it means we colored 1/4. So what happened if we colored 2 equal parts? We colored 2 parts. It means we colored 2/4. We colored 1 and 2/4. And by the way, guys, the 2/4 make the half. Right now we colored the half of that shape. So 2/4 means 1/2. We colored 2/4 of that circle, and we colored 1/2 of that circle. Yemen, if we colored Yemen 3 parts of the circle, the 3 parts of the circle, it means we colored how many fourths? We colored 1, 2, 3 parts. It means we colored 1, 2, 3 fourths. We colored 1, 2, 3 fourths. I colored right now 3 fourths. Okay, Luigi. Right now I colored 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of my circle. We colored 4 fourths. And as you can see right now, we colored the whole shape. We colored the whole circle. So if we color 4 fourths, it means we colored the whole shape. Okay, guys? It's easy?
Yeah.
Here we have one.
Easy.
Okay, see. Here we colored 1/4. Here we have 1/4. And here we color 2/4. We color 1/2 of that shape. We color 2/4 or 1/2. Here we have 3/4. 1, 2, 3 parts of the shape. we color 3/4. And here we colored 4/4. And 4/4 makes the whole. 4/4 makes the whole. So if I ask Omar, Omar?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
If I ask you, Omar, to color 1/4, to color 1/4 of that shape, color 1/4 of that shape. It means you will color how many parts, Omar? Omar?
Like this.
Omar, to color 1/4? No, Omar, don't color. Don't color. Omar, don't color. If I ask you, Omar, to color 1/4 of that shape, it means you will color how many parts?
1.
Good job. You will color only one part. You will color only one part. So guys, right now,
افتكرت انا اللي هقول.
right now the colored part is 1/4 of that part. We colored only one part of the 4 parts. We colored 1/4. If I ask Rufaida, color 1/4 of that shape. You need to color how many parts, Rufaida? Of the 4 parts? Only one. Good job, Rufaida. You will color only one part. We colored right now 1/4 of that shape. And we have Ahmed. Ahmed, color 3/4 of that shape. To color 3/4 of that shape, it means you need to color how many parts, Ahmed? Ahmed, can you hear me? To color 3/4 of that shape, it means you need to color how many parts?
3.
3. Good job, Ahmed. You will color 3 parts of that shape. You will color 1, 2, 3 parts of that shape. So you will, right now we color 3/4. Farida colors 3/4 of that shape. To color 3/4 of that shape, Farida, it means you will color how many parts of the 4 parts? Farida?